welcoming class 9 students in the crash course of maths class. We have started the topic surface area and volume. Yesterday we have gone through and discussed and revised the formula related to all the geometrical figure, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, hemisphere and sphere. And we have also taken questions from the surface area of cube and cuboid. Now from 13.5, this exercise is related to the topic volume of cube and cuboid. If you have any doubt, you can ask questions, or I will take one question and explain. So let me start with question number 6, exercise 13.5. NCERT. Question number 5. A village having a population of 4,000. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. एक व्यक्ति को एक दिन में अपनी पूरी जरूरत के लिए कितने पानी की आवश्यकता होती है? 150 liters. It has a tank measuring 20 meter by 50 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? So first you have to find the volume of water that is stored in that tank. Volume of water stored in the tank. That tank is in the cuboidal form. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. We are given 20, 15 and 6. 20 into 15 into 6. 15 to just 30. 36 just 180 this much meter cube. You have to convert this meter cubed into liter. What is the relation between meter cubed and liter?
1 meter cube
Is equal to
1,000
liter. Very good. So that is equal to 1800 into 1000 liter. Why? Because the measurement or the calculation or the value of water utilized by per villagers is given in liter. What is the population of that village? 4,000. What quantity of water has been utilized by that village in one day? One person, 150 liters. Population, 4,000 persons. So, how many liters have been used by in that village in one day? 4,000 into 150. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
हर एक क्योंकि 4,000 है, हर एक व्यक्ति कितना खर्च कर रहा है बच्चों? 150 लीटर। 150 गुना क्या हो जाएगा? 4,000. Now, volume of water used in one day, that is equal to 4,000 into 150 liters. Okay.
6 lakhs.
What 6 lakhs? Under run उतना जरूरत नहीं. Now, number of days water last कितने दिन खर्च होगा? That is equal to volume of tank divided by volume of water used in one day. So that is equal to volume of water in tank is equal to 1800 into 1000 divided by 4,000 into 150
liters.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
6 से कट जाएगा. 6 से
3, 5 ja?
15.
3, 6 ja?
18.
18.
2 से 2 2 से 4 2 3 6
2, 2 ja?
4,
4,
2 3 6
2, 3 ja?
6.
6.
यस सर 30 होगा सर.
एक मिनट 1800 1000 1800 1000 ये हो गया हमारा 4000 into
सर वहाँ एक जीरो
एक मिनट क्वेश्चन देखने दो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4000 water if it has a tank of 20 into 15 into 6 find how many days will the water last so 4000 into 150 this one is correct
Yes, sir.
सर वहाँ पे एक जीरो नहीं
एक
कटती
मिनट रुक जाओ 15 टू जा 30 36 जा 180 और 1000 लीटर तो सही है
सर वहाँ पर एक
1% कम सॉरी देखो दिस जीरो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग यहाँ पर हमारा जीरो बच गया तो 5 6 जा एंड 8 the water lasts for
3 days.
This zero was missing. तो ये मैं गलती किया हूँ इसको ऐसे पूरा कट करना चाहिए था ठीक है ना ये हो जाएगा हमारा 300 ये हो जाएगा 60 और ऐसे 3 हो जाएगा ठीक है ना एक बार फिर से कैंसिल कर देना ठीक है चलिए 1 no need to multiply 4000 into 150 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 यहाँ 180 बचा ठीक है ना 4 4 जा 16 4 5 जा 20 15 3 जा 45
Sir,
now cylinder
question number 6 over.
what
Question number 6, sir.
अच्छा चलिए now cylinder topic
Yes, sir.
this is the height of the cylinder and this is the radius of the cylinder. We have gone through the three formula. LSA is equal to 1 by RH. PSA is equal to 2 by R plus H. And volume is equal to
Pi square.
pi R square. Now, simultaneously we'll take the questions 13.2 and 13.6. 13.2 now.
Same होता है.
Come here. जल्दी आओ, don't waste my time. LSA stand for? CSA stand for? Difference between them? Same. You can use that one, CSA or LSA, okay? Lateral means side area. Curve, you are partially correct. If the surface is curved, then you can use that curved surface area. But in the both conditions, they are
Same.
almost okay. Correct. अभी ना इसमें देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd. You are given a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Height is equal to 77 centimeter. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. The inner diameter is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. This one is outer diameter. Outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter, represented by capital D. You have to find inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and total surface area. Now, to understand these questions, Please take a piece of bamboo in front of you. आप एक बांस के एक टुकड़े का एग्जाम्पल अपने दिमाग में रखिए। बांस को काट दिया गया, ठीक है ना? तो बांस आप देखेंगे बैम्बू क्या होगा, बीच से क्या होता है हमारा, हॉलो होता है, हॉलो होता है ना। सपोज यू आर गिवन ए पीस ऑफ 77 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ बैम्बू, देन द आउटर डायमीटर इज
4.4.
inner diameter is, then you have to find three things: inner curve surface area, that is direct question; outer curve surface area, that is also direct question; total surface area. When you have to find the total surface area, then there is somewhat thickness of the bamboo. Bamboo का क्या होगा हमारा, कुछ thickness जरूर होगा. Okay, that is known as ring. It is in this shape. Suppose this is the inner circle of the bamboo and this is the outer circle of the bamboo. You have to find this area. This one is known as, इसको क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों, रिंग बोलते हैं, ठीक है ना? So this ring is present on the top as well as in the bottom. So how many rings together you have?
Two rings.
Two rings. Okay. So how you find the area of ring? Area of ring is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. Is area of bigger circle minus area of
Small circle.
pi you take as a common, r square minus r square. Now the first part, inner CSA, that is equal to 2 pi r h. What is the given? You have r, that is equal to 2 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Equal diameter is 4.
4 divided by 2.
H is equal to
77.
77.
You can find this value.
Yes, sir.
Now the second one is outer CSA. That is equal to 2 pi capital R H. H is common. What is the R here? 2.2. Because diameter is
Given.
4.4. Now the third one, TSA. The TSA is equal to, suppose inner CSA plus outer
CSA.
CSA and plus area of two rings.
Ring.
एरिया पूरी कैसे निकालेंगे, ये पहला वाला निकल जाएगा. सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. 1 plus 2 plus 2 pi
Capital R square minus.
r square minus r square. Now you can solve or I need to solve it. Solve कर लोगे? Okay. Then if you have further doubt, then I will take your doubt. Till then, note it down. God bless you.